You gotta come back to Camden sometime.
They keep everyone separated. Ah! You shot me in my head. Look.